ಗುಡ್ ಮಾರ್ನಿಂಗ್. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಸ್ಟಾಲ್ ಕಿಂಗ್ ಅವಿನಾಶ್ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಜೊತೆ ವಿಶ್ವ ಹೃದಯ ದಿನದ ಶುಭಾಶಯಗಳು. ವಿಶ್ವ ಹೃದಯ ದಿನ ಅಂದರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಹಾರ್ಟ್ ಅಂತೂ ಡಗಡಗಡಗಡಗಡ ಅಂತ ಬೀಟ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. ನನ್ನ ಹಾರ್ಟ್ ಅಂತೂ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೋಸ್ಕರ ಬೀಟ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. ಆದರೆ ಇವತ್ತು ವರ್ಲ್ಡ್ ಹಾರ್ಟ್ ಡೇ ದಿನ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಹೆಲ್ತಿ ಟಿಪ್ಸನ್ನು ಕೊಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಬರ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂತ ನಾನು ತುಂಬ ದಿನಗಳಿಂದ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೆ. ನೀವು ನನ್ನ ಫೇಸ್ಬುಕ್ಕಲ್ಲಿ, ವಾಟ್ಸಪ್ಪಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಟೇಟಸ್ಸು ಎಲ್ಲ ನೋಡಿಬಿಟ್ಟು ಇಷ್ಟಪಟ್ಟಿದ್ರಿ, ಖುಷಿ ಪಟ್ಟಿದ್ರಿ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಎಸ್, ಇವಾಗ ಸದ್ಯಕ್ಕೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಜೊತೆ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಹೇಮಾ ಮ್ಯಾಮು ಇರ್ತಾರೆ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ತುಂಬಾ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಹೃದಯದ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಷನ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಬೇಸಿಕಲಿ ಏನಪ್ಪ ಅಂತಂದರೆ, ಇವಾಗ ಸದ್ಯಕ್ಕೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಅವಿನಾಶ್ ಅಂತೂ ಹೃದಯ, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹಾರ್ಟು ಹೆಲ್ತಿ ಆಗಿರಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ನಾನಂತೂ ಅಪೇಕ್ಷಿಸ್ತೀನಿ. ಸೊ ಯವಿಗಾ ಒನ್ಸ್ ಅಗೇನ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಲಿಸ್ನರ್ಸ್ಗೂ ಹ್ಯಾಪಿ ವರ್ಲ್ಡ್ ಹಾರ್ಟ್ ಡೇ. ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ 92.7 ಬಿಗ್ ಎಫ್ಎಂ. ವಿಶ್ವ ಹೃದಯ ದಿನದ ಶುಭಾಶಯಗಳು ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ. ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ವಿತ್ ಮೀ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಹೇಮಾ ರವೀಶ್ ನನ್ನೊಟ್ಟಿಗೆ. ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್, ವೆಲ್ಕಮ್ ಟು ಅವರ್ ಶೋ. ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾರ್ಡಿಯೋವ್ಯಾಸ್ಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಡಿಸೀಸ್?
The term cardiovascular disease refers to any disease of the heart or the blood vessels of the brain or any other part of the body. In India, it's becoming the leading cause of death and morbidity. So 1 in 4 deaths in India are now because of cardiovascular diseases, with ischemic heart disease and stroke responsible for more than 80% of this burden. The global burden of disease estimated that the death rate was 272 per 1 lakh population in India, which is much higher than the global average of 235 per 1 lakh population. And that's really alarming.
What are the risk factors of cardiovascular disease?
There are many risk factors for cardiovascular diseases. Many of them are modifiable and some of them are non-modifiable. Coming to the modifiable risk factors, they include physical inactivity, like sitting in front of a computer, at a desk, or tailoring from morning till evening, not moving around. Unhealthy diet, lots of trans fats, junk food, raised blood pressure, not taking correct medications, and improper consultations with the doctors. Tobacco usage, a very important risk factor, which is modifiable. High cholesterol, again, not controlled. Uncontrolled diabetes, obesity and being overweight, and chronically stressful life, social isolation, having no friends, anxiety and depression are all the modifiable risk factors. Now, some of them are non-modifiable, like age. Simply getting old is a risk factor for cardiovascular diseases. Risk of stroke doubles every decade after the age of 55 years. And coming to gender, men have a greater risk of heart disease than premenopausal women. However, once postmenopausal, women's risk is equal to a man's risk. Ethnicity, people from Africa and Asian ancestry are at higher risk of developing cardiovascular disease than other racial groups.
What is the burden of cardiovascular disease?
Cardiovascular diseases pose a huge burden. An estimated 17.9 million people die of cardiovascular disease every year, and 80% of the deaths occur in low and middle income countries.
What causes CVD?
Cardiovascular disease is caused because of all those risk factors that we discussed, and so many times it's because of a number of risk factors all together. There's something called as atherosclerosis, and that's the narrowing and thickening of the arteries in the inside, and this develops over years without causing any symptoms. It can happen in any part of the body, especially around the heart. It's known as coronary artery disease, and in the legs it's known as peripheral arterial disease. The narrowing and thickening of the arteries is because of deposition of fatty materials, cholesterol and other substances in the walls, and they're called as plaques. The rupture of these plaques can lead to blocking of the whole artery, decreasing the supply acutely, and that causes a heart attack or any other problem in any of the limbs.
Is there any sign of heart attack?
There are a lot of signs and symptoms of heart attack, and sometimes it's classical and sometimes it isn't so much. The most commonest symptom will be chest discomfort. So these people have a lot of chest discomfort or heaviness in the center of the chest, which can last sometimes for a few minutes, that goes away and keeps coming back, or it can be continuous. It can be an uncomfortable squeezing sensation, fullness, or severe pain. They can also have discomfort along with that in the both the upper limbs, in the jaw, in the back, or in the upper part of the stomach. Another symptom could be shortness of breath with or without chest discomfort, and also they can have sweating profusely, feeling of vomiting or nausea, lightheadedness. Some people can have burping or belching loudly. So it's actually quite varied.
How are smoking and heart disease linked?
Smoking is a very important cause of cardiovascular disease. It damages the lining of blood vessels. It increases the fatty deposition we talked about in the arteries called atherosclerosis. It increases the blood clotting, and it adversely affects the blood lipid profile. So cholesterol by itself keeps on going high if you keep smoking. It also promotes coronary artery spasm. So without any other reason, the vessels themselves narrow down, and that can lead to a heart attack. It also increases the heart rate and raises the blood pressure. So now you know you really should not smoke.
Does diet play an important part in the development of heart disease?
Diet plays a significant role in protecting or causing cardiovascular disease. The saying goes, you are what you eat. So diets high in animal fat, high in trans fats, low in fresh vegetables and fruits, and high in alcohol have shown to increase the risk of cardiovascular disease. So adopting a diet low in fat and salt has a protective effect and on the long term. That means whole grains, fruits and vegetables are a must in your diet.
How do the symptoms of a heart attack differ between men and women?
Well, both men and women can have similar symptoms when they have a heart attack, but in women sometimes it's quite different. They may not have a lot of pain, but they can just have some unexplained anxiety, nausea or dizziness, and palpitations and cold sweat. One problem in women is that they don't express their symptoms easily because they're so atypical symptoms. They're not like the regular symptoms that people have when they have a heart attack. They can just feel that they have some gastritis. And this late presentation of women leads to a worse outcome and more mortality and morbidity.
Is heart disease hereditary?
Well, heart disease can run in families, and this can be cardiovascular diseases, and some of them can be congenital heart diseases. So the cardiovascular diseases, once you know that there is a family history, we have to start a very aggressive lifestyle modification, and there are various means which the doctor can help you with to avoid developing such problems.
What is the connection between raised blood pressure and heart disease?
Well, raised blood pressure over time leads to cardiovascular disease. The blood moving through your arteries pushes against the arterial walls, and this force is measured as blood pressure. The constant excess pressure on the artery, it causes the walls of the arteries to weaken and makes them more susceptible to atherosclerosis. And in turn, this can cause cardiovascular diseases.
Visit your healthcare professional for a few simple checks. Check your blood glucose levels, check your blood pressure, check your numbers, understand the sign and symptoms of a heart attack. Thank you very much. ಕೇಳ್ತಾರಿ 92.7 ಬಿಗ್ ಎಫ್ಎಂ. ಯೋಚನೆ ಯಾಕೆ, ಚೇಂಜ್ ಓಕೆ. ಆಲ್ ರೈಟ್, ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಹೇಮಾ ರವೀಶ್ ಅವರ ಇಂಟರ್ವ್ಯೂಗಳು, ಮಾತುಗಳು ಕೇಳಿದ್ರಲ್ಲ ವರ್ಲ್ಡ್ ಹಾರ್ಟ್ ಡೇ ದಿನ. ನಿಜವಾಗ್ಲೂ ಖುಷಿಯಾಗಿರಬೇಕು ನಿಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ. ಖಂಡಿತ ನನಗಂತೂ ಬಹಳ ಸಂತೋಷ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಮತ್ತು ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಹೇಮಾ ರವೀಶ್ ಅವರು ನೋಡಪ್ಪ, ಜಯದೇವ ನಾವೆಲ್ಲ ಒಂದು ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿ ರೀತಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು. ಒಂದು ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಹಾಡನ್ನು ನಾನು ಡೆಡಿಕೇಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ಇಷ್ಟಪಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಹೇಮಾ ರವೀಶ್ ಮತ್ತು ಅವರೆಲ್ಲ ಪೇಷಂಟ್ಸು ಮತ್ತು ಎಲ್ಲ ಸಮಸ್ತ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ಗಳಿಗೆ, ಜಯದೇವದವರಿಗೆ ಒನ್ಸ್ ಅಗೇನ್ ಹೃದಯ ದಿನದ ಶುಭಾಶಯಗಳನ್ನು ಸಲ್ಲಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಸೊ ಖಂಡಿತ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಹೇಳಿರುವಂಥ ಎಲ್ಲ ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಷನನ್ನು ತೊಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಇನ್ನು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಹೊತ್ತಲ್ಲೇ ಒಂದು ಹಾಡನ್ನು ಡೆಡಿಕೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾಯಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಈ ಹಾಡು ಹೃದಯಕ್ಕೆ ಸಂಬಂಧಪಟ್ಟಿದ್ದು. ನನಗೆ ತುಂಬ ಇಷ್ಟವಾದಂಥ ಹಾಡು ಯಾವ ಮೋಹನ ಮುರಳಿ ಕರೆಯಿತು, ಗೋಪಾಲಕೃಷ್ಣ ಅಡಿಗರು ಬರೆದಿರುವಂಥ ಹಾಡನ್ನು ಕೇಳಬೇಕಾದ್ರೂ ತುಂಬ ಸಾಫ್ಟಾಗಿರೋ ಹಾಡನ್ನು ಕೇಳೋಣ. ಹಾರ್ಟ್ ಬೀಟು ರಿದಮೆಟಿಕ್ ಆಗಿರಲಿ, ಮೆಡಿಟೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಡಾಕ್ಟ್ರು ಹೇಳಿರೋ ಎಲ್ಲ ವಿಚಾರಗಳು ನಾವು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಖಂಡಿತವಾಗ್ಲೂ ನಮ್ಮ ಹಾರ್ಟು ಆರೋಗ್ಯವಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಯಾವುದಕ್ಕೂ ಟೆನ್ಷನ್ ತೊಗೊಬೇಡಿ. 92.7 ಬಿಗ್ ಎಫ್ ಎಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕೆಲಸಗಳು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಆರೋಗ್ಯಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ. ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹೃದಯವನ್ನು ಕ್ಲೀನ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಆಗಿ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಕೂಡ ಹಾರ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಲೀನ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಪ್ಯೂರಿಫೈ ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ, ಡಾಕ್ಟ್ರು ಹೇಳ್ದಂಗೆ ಸ್ಮೋಕಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾಯಿದ್ರೆ ಖಂಡಿತವಾಗ್ಲೂ ಬೇಗ ಅಚೀವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ. ನಾವು ಹೃದಯ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಜನ ಹುಡುಗಿರಿಗೆ ಕೊಡಬೇಕಲ್ವಾ, ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಯುವರ್ ಹಾರ್ಟ್ ಶುಡ್ ಬಿ ಹೆಲ್ತಿ. ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇರಿ ಅವಿನಾಶ್ ಜೊತೆ 92.7 ಬಿಗ್ ಎಫ್ ಎಮ್. ಯೋಚನೆ ಯಾಕೆ, ಚೇಂಜ್ ಓಕೆ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಸ್ಪೆಷಲ್ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಸ್ ಟು ಮುರಳಿ ಸರ್ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ತುಂಬ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಸ್ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಒಂದು ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಹಾಡು ನಿಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೋಸ್ಕರ. ಹಾಡು ಯಾವುದು ಇನ್ನು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಹೊತ್ತಲ್ಲೇ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಯವಿಕಾ.